Isaac trying to walk.
Look at him, look at him. He was walking from there to there, but not yet. Oh, good boy. Walk. Go walk.
Today is the 24th of November.
What happened?
Isaac, pare. Careful. Si quiere caminar. He wants to walk. He's going nuts now.
Isaac, walk to me. Now he's walking to people. Isaac, walk to me. He's talking to Josiah. Here, Isaac.
Dodo? He wants to go crazy. No, Daddy, you're gonna hurt yourself. Someone help him get up and then.
Okay, get up, Isaac. Get up. He wants to do it by himself, you see? Get up.
Daddy.
Up, all the way. Up. Hey. Let him do it by himself. I'm gonna walk to the camera.
Daddy. Mi loquillo.
Look!